Very good morning, students. Welcome to Karthik IAS Academy YouTube channel. We are in the seventh video of this series. Now we are going to see Syllogism and Logical Deduction. It's a very small topic, and also UPSC rarely asking questions nowadays, but in the initial years there are some questions. So we'll see some questions. Before getting into the question, some statements. A type statement, E type, I type, O type. I just introduce alone all A's or B's. If there is a statement like this, no A's or B's. Some A's or B's, some A's are not B's. Okay, that's the meaning. This type of statements. This is called A type statement, E type, I type, O type. Understand? So generally Venn diagram method will work. If there is any confusion, formula method will need it. I will explain all the questions with Venn diagram method itself. Okay. In regular class, we'll see the formula method. All A's are B's. All A's are B's means, see, this is the diagram. All A's are B's means, this is the diagram. But there is one alternate diagram. All A's are B's means we can write like this also. All A's are B's. Understand? So this is main diagram. This is alternate diagram. You should not confuse in this. Okay, while solving through Venn diagram, you have to be careful on it. No A's or B's. No A's or B's means this is the diagram. No A's or B's. Some A's or B's. Some A's or B's. Some A's or B's. This is the diagram. Some A's are not B's. Understand? Some A's are not B's. You can draw like this. You can draw like this also. But the point is, some A's are not B's. That's all. We don't know clearly about A, but we know surely about B. Understand? This is what the diagram approach. So while solving questions, I will add up. So here, all pens are books. No chair is a pen. See, all pens are books means pen will come here, book will come here. Understand? No chair is a pen. So no chair is a pen. We can draw like this. And if needed, I can draw like this here also, right? Chairs. Here also I can draw, right? No chair is a. So that's where the confusion. We have to keep that in mind while answering the questions. Generally, this is the diagram, but 2-3 diagrams we can draw here. All chairs are books. That is possible. If they mention it's a possibility, means it is possible. It is not always true. Understand? Some chairs are pens. Some chairs are pens. Definitely not. No chair is a pen. Then all books are chairs. That is also not possible. Understand? No chair is a book. That is also not possible. It may overlap. Understand? So none of the conclusions. So if I draw chairs here, it looks like no chair is a book. But if I draw a chair here, that also you have to draw. Keep in mind while solving through Venn diagram. Understand? Then some doctors are teachers, all teachers are engineers, all engineers are scientists. So we'll draw the diagram, basic diagram. Doctor, some doctors are teachers, all teachers are engineers. Understand? All engineers are scientists. This is the basic diagram. Okay. Some scientists are doctors. That is true. Definite, right? All engineers are doctors. That we can't say. Understand? All teachers are engineers. All teachers are scientists. We can say. Some engineers are doctors. That also we can say. So 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Sorry, not 2. This one. Okay. Some greens are blues. Some blues are blacks. Green, blue, some blues are blacks. This black I can draw here also. Understand? That is what alternate diagram. You have to keep that in mind while answering the questions. Some greens are blacks. That we can't say. Understand? This we can't say. No greens are black. That also we can't say. Because if I draw it here, we can't say. We are not sure about it. All greens are blacks. All greens are blacks also we can't say. All blacks are greens also we can't say. So none of them follows. None of them follows. It's an interesting topic. We'll see it in detail later. But yeah, 2020. All cats are dogs. All cats are black. Okay, all cats are dogs. Cat, dogs. All cats are black. So like this we can draw. All cats are dogs. All cats are blacks. All dogs are black. That we can't say. Understand? Some dogs are not black. That also we can't say. Neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2. Understand? Some rats are cats, some cats are dogs. No cat is a cow, no dog is a cow. We'll draw the diagram. Some rats are cats. Rat, cat. Some cats are dogs. D. No dog is a cow. So here it is COW, here it is CAT. Don't get confused with that. No cow is a cat. See, no dog is a cow, right? This cow we can make it here also, right? So we can't confirm. No dog is a rat. That also we can't say. Some cats are rats. That is sure because this is correct. So only 3 conclusion follows. Clear? All the colors are pleasant. Some colors are pleasant. No color is pleasant. Some colors are not present. So here what they are asking is, if statement 4 is true, this is true means, which is definitely not conclude. Some colors are not present means colors are not pleasant. Understand? No color is a present, we can't say because remaining colors may be present. So this we can't say. Some colors are present also we can't say. Understand? All colors are present is definitely not possible, right? So this is sure. Understand? These two we can't say. It may happen, it may not happen, but one definitely false. That's what they are trying to say. Clear? Then consider the following statement. Some men are great, some men are wise. Men are either great or wise. Some men are neither great nor wise. Understand? Both we can't say. Some men are great, some men are wise. Understand? Both the conclusions, neither the conclusion is valid. That's what they are trying to say. Understand? If you draw a diagram, some men are great. Men great. Some men are wise. We can't say. Understand? Men are either great or wise. Men may be other character also. Neither great nor wise also we can't say. Understand? That's what. So this is two set of okay. All artists are whimsical. Some artists are drug addicts. All artists are whimsical. Artist whimsical. Some artists are drug addict. Drug addict. You can make it here. Some frustrated people are prone to drug addicts. That's what. Artists are frustrated. We can't say. Some drug addicts are whimsical. That we can say. Understand? All frustrated people are drug addicts. That is also we can't say. Whimsical people are generally drug addicts. That is also a wrong assumption. Can't go for it. Clear? Then, see here, these two statements. In 2011, they asked this question. For this, you have to understand this relation. Through that only we can answer. So, try to understand A-type statement, E-type statement, I-type statement, O-type statement. Okay? 4 type of statements I told, right? From this, we can imply this. Understand? There is a concept called square of opposition. Through that only we can answer this question. So, what is the meaning is, if all A's are B's means some A's are B's is true. If no A's are B's means some A's are not B's is true. Understand? These two are called contrary. These two are called subcontrary. This is called square of opposition. If you search in net, you will understand square of opposition. Only if you know this, you can answer this question. What they are trying to say is both, understand, both cannot be true, but both can be false. That's what here. Both cannot be true, but both can be false. See, all men are good. No men are good. Understand? Both can't be true. together. Understand? But both can be false. All men are good, no men are good. That's what they are trying to say. Understand? But here, both cannot be false. Both can be true. That's what they're trying to say. Some men are good, some men are bad. Some men are good, some men are not good. Understand? Both can't be false. Understand? Either it should be good or not good, right? So they both can't be false, but both can be true. Understand? Some men are good, some men are not good. So that's what the set of statements. These two statements both cannot be true, but both can be false. These two statements are the nature of the statements. I type and O type both can't be false, but both can be true. That is the conclusion for these two questions. So here all animals are carnivorous and no animals are carnivorous. These two are both cannot be true, but both can be false. 1 and 3. With that knowledge only you can understand this question. So square of opposition, try to understand this question. With this concept only I am going to solve 9th question and 10th question also. 10th question also same. All trains are run by diesel engines, no train are run by diesel engines. These two are both, sorry, not 1 and 2, it is 1 and 3. Both cannot be true. Understand? Two cannot be true, but both can be false. That's the idea. Understand? Syllogism. Other than these two questions, remaining all the questions can be solved through Venn diagram. 99% of the syllogism questions can be solved through Venn diagram. That 1% you have to understand the concepts, the formulas, everything. Yes, that's all. But anyway, last 3-4 years there is no question. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. See you in next video.